Hello traders. I hope guys you are banking amazing profit. Today is the 8th of June 2023. What a blessing day guys. Most of the traders bank 200 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how we traded today. If you look at the Dixie, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we were expecting the market break the structure. So today, unemployment claim pretty straightforward, which is higher than expected. Plus, the previous, we had such a nice, beautiful breakout, and all the measures was bullish against the dollar. Let me share with you guys on Euro USD. And if you look at the Euro USD, we've been long since a couple of days. As you can see it today, we were expecting along the market break the structure, as explained, keep taking a pullback at this level. The news release that wasn't good for the dollar, pretty straightforward. We had long trade here. So now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit to help my traders to maximize the opportunity. So this is the our system, as you can see here. And if you look at this is what exactly we always monitor on the right hand side the 4 hour, and we look at the entries in the left hand side. If you look at here, let me share with you the this morning. You can see here just before London Open, uh, 6:30 we explained to my trader market broken. So look for first priority will be look for pullback. Based on this analysis, as you can see here, the market nicely develop a pullback, and after that market nicely hit to the first target, which is the previous high. That's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So after banking some profit, as always, look for another pullback. So you can see here we constantly monitoring the price and updating the analysis as the market moves. So we have another beautiful pullback as mentioned here in the analysis. So that was the beautiful long trade. As soon as the price hit to the 4 hour, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful long trade, pretty straightforward on Euro USD. So let's move into the pound dollar. Pretty straightforward. We had the more or less, as you can see here, we've been long since the market hit this previous high. As you can see here, that's why we've been long. And today market continuously long, and the news wasn't good for the dollar, and that give us the significant high probability long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries, all of them, and help my traders to squeeze very decent and amazing profit, as you can see. All right, so if you look at all of my analysis for today, and if you look at the just before London Open, that was a pretty straightforward. As we monitor, explain my trader if the market is going to stay above this level. So that's the first priority we're looking here. Or if the market break, then we need a confirmation. So you can see here, pretty straightforward based on the analysis. The markets keep respecting it. That's the high probability trade. Beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit the first target, that's what explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. So after banking some profit, as pretty straightforward, look for another opportunity. As you can see here, price develop another. So technically this was a pullback, but as explained my trader, if the market's gonna break, this is the points as a high probability area, and you can see here price nicely broken. And after this breakout, as explained, news wasn't good for the dollar. Momentum was bullish. All these elements basically telling us to keep enjoying pullback. So we have this pullback, we have this pullback. So we announce all these pullbacks opportunities through live audio commentary. Once the market hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trader. You can enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So that was a beautiful long trade here. And dollar CAD, we had an interesting trades in dollar CAD too. And if you look ahead this morning, we had a very one small short trade here. As you can see here, we've been long yesterday on the counter. We also had a short yesterday. So this morning, pretty straightforward. Price came back, developed a pullback. We also had a short trade here. And later on, we also had a long trade here. So let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit. That's the key important thing is. As we said to my trader, we are going to trade what we see and not what we think. All right, so if you look at the analysis for today's, this was the analysis, this Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. Price nicely broken, and after the breakout, the most important thing is price retest, give us the confirmation, and the price nicely hit to the profit target, which is the first fifth channel. As you can see here, explain my trader, you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And let's wait for the New York session. So you can see at the New York session, The price reverse, so technically the price develop a consolidation. As you can see, a symmetric triangle pattern, price nicely broken. As long as the price hit just before the news, as explained by trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, I said to my trader, let's wait for another, let the market develop another structure or pull back. So you can see here the market, as soon as the market develop false breakout, but as explained my trader, if the market is going to break, then we're taking a short trade here. Otherwise, if market break, then long here. So we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. You can see here the market nicely broken, and as soon as the market hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to, you can see here price nicely hit to the profit target, and explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. I'm pretty sure you can enjoy more once you see all that analysis in real time. So if you don't want to miss my upcoming analysis, all these 12 major currency pair, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.